Welcome to Knowledge Base. We have a simple question here. It says the length of a simple pendulum was increased from 1 meter to 1.5 meters. What is the change in the period of the pendulum? Take G equals to 10 meters per second squared. We are told that the length of the pendulum, the original length L1, is 1 meters. Then the length was increased to another length L2 of 1.5 meters. We are to calculate the change in the period of the pendulum. First, the period of a simple pendulum is given by this formula. Period equals to 2 pi square root L all over G, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is acceleration due to gravity, 10 meters per second square as given in the question. So, for this question, we are looking for the change in the period. So we can call the change to be T2 minus T1. That is the period at the second length minus the period at the original length to give us the change in the period. And if this is the formula for period, it means that will be equal to 2 pi square root L2 all over G, L2 for the second length, minus 2 pi square root L1 all over G, L1 for the first length. If we take the difference, it should be equal to the difference in the period, which is what we are looking for, change in the period. The symbol for change is delta, so we can represent T2 minus T1 as delta T, that is change in the period, will be equal to 2 pi is common to both sides. So if we factorize 2 pi out, we have 2 pi multiplying L2 all over G, that is square root L2 all over G, minus square root L1 all over G in a bracket multiplying 2 pi. That will give us the change in the period. At this point, we want to substitute our values, and the change in the period will be equal to 2 pi into L2 is 1.5 meters, which is the second length, divided by 10. G is 10, as given in the question, minus the first length L1 is 1 divided by 10, all in square roots. If we put this value into our calculator, 1.5 divided by 10, that is the square root of 1.5 divided by 10, that will give us 0.39 approximately in 2 decimal places, minus the square root of 1 all over 10 gives us 0.32 in 2 decimal places. Multiply, the difference is multiplied by 2 pi, and that will give us the change in the period, which is what we are looking for. If we put this value, we have that change in the period will be equals to 2 pi times 0.39 minus 0.32 gives us 0.07. And if we put this value into the calculator again, the change in the period will be equal to 0.44 seconds. And this is the answer to the question here. Now try this simple one that says the length of a simple pendulum is 0.9 meters. What would be the change in the period of the if the length was reduced to 0.5 meters? Take G equals to 10 meters per second square, and please put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Endeavor to like and share this video. And if you are seeing our page for the first time, please do well to follow our page, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.